Hello, Pressedaholic gang. You will never believe what just happened to me. I literally just finished recording this voiceover and it deleted. So that's completely okay. We're redoing it. Welcome back to my channel. And I hope everyone is doing really, really good. I thought that I would make this video to show everyone how I do my business cards, how I do my flyers. So business cards and flyers are going to be in this video. And this is the most cost efficient way that I do this. This is how I create my templates. And really the only supplies that you are going to need is your phone, a printer, and whatever type of cardstock or paper that you will be using to print this out on. So I do start by opening up my Canva app on my iPhone. I believe that you can definitely use a Android as well. And I really wanted to do a Instagram themed business card. And the reason for this is just because I am super active on Instagram, and that is really where I get a lot of my clients. And not to mention that so many people have Instagram. So here I take that Instagram logo and I insert it into the business card. When you open your Canva app, you can definitely type in business card and you'll see so many different templates that they have. But I always choose the blank just so that it's completely customized. So here, once you click on illustrations and you click on and you type in Instagram, the Instagram logo is free to use and I would insert that. So next up, I will be adding some text. I definitely wanted to include my logo on my business card. I feel that, that's something that you guys should really do just to really promote yourself and put that logo out there. So really quick, I just really want to tell you guys that using Canva is something you really need to be patient with. It's definitely not something that you learn overnight. I've messed with this app for quite a while and, I've gotten the hang of it. So definitely be patient. I tried to make this video as short as possible just because, I didn't want to talk a hole in your head, and I wanted this to be a video that was very helpful and simple at the same time. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, so here you'll see me just kind of messing around and seeing where I wanted my placement. Again, trying to keep this super short. And here I wanted to show you where I got the Instagram logo from. So once you go into Google and you type in Instagram logo font, you'll see that a whole bunch of pictures come up. I also went ahead and typed in YouTube logo font because I know that a lot of us are trying to promote our our YouTubes as well. So I thought that making a YouTube card would be such a cute idea. It's just not something that I'm looking to do right now, but I would definitely love to see if anyone else has done this. So here I decided to take a screenshot of my Instagram page, and I really wanted that authentic Instagram feel. And what better way to do that than to take the actual logo or profile photo. So here I'm just cropping it, and I'm going to open up Canva and I'm going to insert that photo into this business card. And during this time, I'm just kind of playing around with the app. Again, be super patient, guys. This is something that takes a lot of patience. I cannot stress that enough. Even doing this kind of took me all day, and then the editing of this video took me all day. So I'm sorry that it's getting out to you guys so late, but hopefully during this time, it kind of gives you something to do. I know that a lot of us are under curfew, and we might be feeling a little discouraged right now, not to get super deep or anything, but, there's a lot going on right now. So I know that a lot of us are under curfew or we're out of work, and, press on nails is our side hustle, or it might be our main hustle. So doing business cards can definitely help to get the word out there without having to spend too much money. If you have a printer and you have some paper, maybe you want to invest in a little pack of cardstock, this is definitely the route to go. You're going to be saving money than to rely on Vistaprint or any other printing company. So yeah, here I'm just scrolling through the fonts. If you see a crown on that font, it means that you have to pay for the plan that they offer. I only use the free plan, to be honest. I'm super cheap, guys, but they do have a free trial if you would like to, I guess, try that. In no way am I sponsored or have like a code for you guys, but just to throw that out there. And so one of my tips is to definitely leave your website on there. Definitely put something like, oh, shop today, or, shop some deals at, and then put your website. Definitely include your logo. Some other tips that I have for you guys is to look at some inspiration, and to keep the background white. And I do this because when you are printing, the white is going to act as a translucent background. So in that past clip, I just showed you that you can add a page to this if you want to do kind of like a back and front of the card. But in this case, I was super happy with just having the front of the card. To create a flyer, using Canva, you can just type in flyer and it's going to pop up. So here I'm just showing a photo that I chose. You can definitely just use your logo, but here I'm just using a photo that I have on my website currently, and just using something that's super bold and something that's going to catch the eye of whoever is going to see it. So I also suggest typing in what you want on the flyer first. That way, you just kind of get that out there. And my number one suggestion is to use fonts that are very clean, something that you won't get confused with the words, such as if you're using script, a lot of people can't read it. And you definitely want everyone to see your flyer and make sure that it is very clean and clear. So that's one tip. Another one is to add something that's very bold and something that's going to catch the eye of whoever might run into it and be a potential client. So here I wrote save time and money because, of course, that's what everyone wants to do. And yeah, so those are my number one tips on flyers. Another tip is not to write too much information. So here I wrote like, hi, I'm Deja, I own Pressedaholic. In reality, I probably wouldn't do that. I wouldn't really put my name or anything. But for the purpose of the video, this is just a demo. And to be honest, I was really, really happy with how this flyer came out. I, would definitely go back and edit it if I ever needed a flyer in the future. So yeah, here I decided to do more of a bold font. I'm really, really into bold fonts for some reason. I just feel like they really catch the attention of whoever is going to read it or whoever might run into it. And here you can also change the colors if you want. I probably would leave it white just because you want to save ink. Ink is definitely not cheap, and I'm sorry if you hear any of the background. It's my daughter. But yeah, so then I ended up just saving it. And here I'm going to show you how to do the template for the business cards. So on Canva, you are going to press flyers, and a flyer is 8.5 by 11, which my paper is 8.5 by 11. So it's going to fit on that page perfectly. Here you definitely want to make sure that they are straight and that you're leaving space in between the cards. That way you have enough space to cut them out. I can honestly say that I am in love with how they came out. I did leave a video at the end of this to show you guys exactly how they came out. Just making sure that they are very straight, and I knew that I could fit 8 cards on this 8.5 by 11. So yeah, you guys could definitely fit 8 cards on a 8.5 by 11. Another really helpful tip is to click on the photo, and on the upper right hand corner where you see the 2 squares, is basically going to act as if like a copy and paste, and the red lines are going to show you if they are straight enough. So here I'm just opening up my HP Smart app, and I'm basically just printing them out. Guys, I cannot be more happy with the way that these came out. And yeah, I really hope that this was super simple, and again, patience, guys. So I hope everyone is amazing. I hope you guys really loved this video. I hope everyone's staying safe, and please do not forget to hit that like button, hit subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So I will see you guys next Tuesday in my next video. Bye guys.